Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Repair Reviews, where I'm reviewing instruments that come into my shop for repair. This is an instrument I just finished setting up. It's a Guild Aristocrat with a translucent black, and it's actually a really nice guitar. It's got this hard harp tailpiece. It's kind of a Les Paul style instrument. It's chambered, although I would say that it's still fairly heavy. It's spec'd out as a mahogany body with this black opaque finish. I can't really tell. The top, it looks like a maple drop top, and the neck is mahogany with a scarf joint, which I like. I looked up really quick online to see where this guitar falls in terms of price point, and I found it ranges from like $800 to $1,000, and for that price point, I have to say I'm kind of impressed. Usually I don't like manufactured instruments in the $500 to $1,000 range. I just find that they lack refinement. Their fit and finish usually leaves something to be desired. But this guitar, the fit and finish is great on this instrument. It's a polyurethane finish. It's really well buffed out. The gradient of the top burst is really nice. I wish that the neck brought a little bit more of that natural reddish hue in the mahogany out. It's kind of a very pale color on the neck, and so that's one of my criticisms, really. I just don't like the color of the neck too much. But the top's nice. The pickups are nice. I find that the neck pickup's really nice, and the middle position on this guitar is pretty killer. It's a great guitar for like blues, R&B, that kind of vein of things. I could see rock and roll. The bridge pickup is a little bit, in my opinion, on the anemic side, but it's still very nice. All in all, I think I like this guitar a lot. It's a lot of fun to play. And speaking of, let me play it for you. That real deep neck pickup. Can't really handle jazz too well. Although I have it on, I'm playing out of an old line 6 with a little bit of gain, so to be honest, I don't think the amp's really doing the guitar justice. Here's the middle position. This, oh, I had my tone down the whole time. Jeez. This is the middle position. So you can see in that D, I mean, that's a real thick, that's a thick D, you know what I mean? my least favorite position of this guitar. It's fine. I mean, it's not bad. I just feel like it just doesn't have as much weight as I like. Still pretty nice. I noticed on all the positions of this instrument, it has a real nice texture when you're playing multiple notes together. The bridge pickup, like I said, in my opinion, is just slightly anemic when you're doing single note riffs, but as soon as you add a second note, it does pick up that texture that's really nice. So it's nice. So yeah, I mean, this is a great guitar, man. I mean, for the price point, I don't think you're going to find much better fit and finish, to be honest. Now, Guild, I have no affiliation with Guild at all. They're not paying me for this. My channel's... I'm just giving you my opinion based on repairing and restoring hundreds of guitars and seeing a lot of instruments in this price point. This is one of the better ones that I've had in my shop for this price point. So I gotta say, I'm impressed. I think this is a winner. So winner chicken dinner. That's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will continue to do these sort of repair reviews, and the reason I started doing this was because there's a lot of reviews out there on, notable, historic, or brand new instruments. Everyone's doing kind of the what's the newest gear kind of reviews and unboxing videos and all of that. And I thought, I fix a lot of guitars that are just sort of day-to-day normal instruments that people have had for 10 years. And I thought it would be fun to kind of go through and review those instruments after I'm done fixing them and setting them up. So if you like this and the other content I'm making, please subscribe and like, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.